Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to customize your Notepad app on your Windows 11. So for this guys, first you need to open the Notepad on your PC like this. After opening guys, if you want to change your Notepad theme, just click on settings, gear icon, and here you can get the option app theme. From here you can easily able to customize, and then if you want to customize your font, just select the font from here, and here you can get the option to change the font style, size, everything. Okay, and one more thing guys, if you want to wrap your file text, from here you can easily able to enable and disable this option. Okay, if you want to enable the spell check on your Notepad, just here you can get the option spell check, just you need to enable this. Okay, and also you can get the option autocorrect. If you want to enable it, just enable and disable the option from here. Okay, and one more thing guys, so when you close your Notepad file guys, when you want to start the new window, or if so continue previous session, if you want to start a new session, from here you can easily able to change this. And when you open the Notepad, every time what you will want to see in the home screen, new tab or new window, from here you can easily able to change this. Okay, so this is the way to customize your Notepad app on your Windows 11. So that's it today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.